activity centred now on this chap, Bobby Charlton. Law, and it's number 4! It's going! Alan Garland has scored it, coming in behind Law. Frankie Burns, number 3. And Law's looking for it, and he scored! Oh, what a beautiful goal from Denis Law!
Moore trying his luck on the right, but with no more success. Best scooping it up for Moore. Macari. And that's a very good goal indeed by Morgan.
So that really is a crowded Orient penalty area. As Forsyth chips it into the far side towards Houston. Oh, and what a header! And it's there by Houston! 2-0.
Got the luck with the bounce. Here's Greenup. Pearson at the back of the box. Macari, and turned in by Macari.
Jimmy Greenup. Steve Coppell. Oh, he dummied him beautifully there. Little pass through to Macari. What's going to happen now? It's going to be another goal. It is by Sammy McElroy. Jordan. Oh, it's come to Thomas to pull it back. And Jimmy Greenough got in. And Stapleton was arriving there. And my word, that's a good header. A classic Frank Stapleton goal.
Alistair climbing high again. Oh, and somehow Wallace got there. And the smallest man in the penalty area got the header that counted.
Here's Owen. Hughes held. Giggs was certainly all right. And Kanchelskis! Cantona. Collected yet another valuable goal for Manchester United.
Beckham's corner. Sheringham!